Realme U1, the another value for money smartphone from Realme. It has great design, MediaTek P70 processor, up to 4GB of RAM, 64GB memory and 25 megapixel selfie camera. With all these specs, this should have been Realme 2 Pro, right? Leaving those things apart, what about the protected glass issue? We have no proper statement still now. All big YouTubers still praising and saying it uses Gorilla Glass 3 till now in all of their videos. We are here to find whether Realme has really used Gorilla Glass in it. Let's find out. The screen guard is removed. At front, we have Gorilla Glass 3 protected 6.3-inch IPS LCD display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at level 6 and sapphire at 8 or 9. We can see scratches at level 3 itself, like what we saw in Realme 2 Pro and Realme C1. I have no words to say. Realme, stop using these kind of low-grade mixture of glasses in smartphones. Note, I have removed the tempered glass or the screen guard from the phone, so stop commenting that you didn't remove screen guard in it. The 6.3-inch display has the water drop notch. You can see my razor blade leaving scratches on front side. Razor blade has a mode scale less than 6, so anything that scratches with razor blade is not a real glass. Front camera is also protected by same glass in the front. The earpiece is nicely located above the camera, which is made up of plastic. This is what that makes me cringe at. Realme said it has used 2.5D glass on both sides. Really? Stop showing fake specs in stage, Realme. If you want to make your brand a most trusted one, stop lying to the customers. The entire back panel is made up of plastic. The camera is protected by glass. To the right, we have volume rockers and SIM tray, which is made up of plastic. The entire side tray is made up of plastic. The buttons are not strongly fixed like what we see in other phones. To the left, we have power button, which is also made up of plastic, and at top we have nothing to show. To the bottom, we have USB port, speaker grills and headphone jack. Please throw your Type-C port, Realme. Please do it. The fingerprint sensor cannot recognize wet finger or dirt finger. Only ultrasonic sensors like what we saw in Mi 5s, Leico Max 2 and Honor 10 can recognize those. At this budget, we get these kind of low-grade FPS only. Unlike Realme 2 Pro, they didn't throw glass in fingerprint sensor module this time in Realme U1. But most of the phones I test can read finger even after having heavy scratches in them, but Realme U1 fails to do so. Realme U1 survived around 10 seconds with direct contact in flame. There were no blue marks left behind. Expect one if it has AMOLED display. Realme 2 Pro survived our water test without any issue or problem in it and works great till now without any problem. Will U1 survive? Let's find out. U1 works properly without any problem. Now let's check out whether its speakers work properly even after water test. Plastic phones are generally well constructed. Oppo and Realme phones have never failed our bend test. Same with the U1. We can see light deformation in frame, but still not a major issue anywhere. The phone is not flexible too, which means the interior of the phone is widespread and well designed. This is the part you have been waiting for. Now let's do the drop test. Now let's drop the phone rear side facing downwards. No damages to camera protection lens. Now let's drop the phones sidewards. Still no damages on screen and everything works fine. Now let's drop the phone vertically. Still no damages or scratches to the screen. Now let's do the drop of dead. Remember, this is a practical test, so no need to worry about it. The glass on the front screen is shattered. Plastic screen does not shatter. I'm as confused as you are right now. So, should you buy this phone? If I was you, I will not. Considering the quality of the phone, I won't recommend it to anyone. But still, it has amazing specs and great looks. I love Realme a lot, but these kind of things makes me not to recommend them to anyone. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you. See you in my next video.
Let it go.